method is what we call the FOIL method. F means for the first term, O means for the outer term, and I for inner term, and L for the last term. So, usually, tinatawag natin siyang FOIL method or the second case ng ating multiplication of polynomials. So, ganito lang po ang pag-solve nito. So, yung 2x, yung ating first term to first term, just simply multiply 2x and 3x, which is our first term. And then we have another one. We have 2x, 2, the second term ng ating outer term, we have the 3, alternate. And when we have another one, we have negative 5 multiplied to 3x again, and then negative 5 multiplied to positive 3. So kung mapapansin natin, ang ating first term ay inulit ng dalawang beses, at ang aking second term at negative 5 ay dalawang beses din. And for the second po, alternate lang po yung 3x, yung 3x saka 3. So just simply multiply lang po natin isa-isa. So we have 2x times 3x will give us 6x squared. And then another one, same with here, 2x times 3. So 2 times 3 po magiging 6. And then copy lang po natin yung x natin dito. And then another one, we have negative 5 times 3x. We have 15, negative 15x. And then another one, we have negative 5 and times to negative 3. So we have negative 15. So kahit saan po, ang gagawin nyo, basta alternate lang po natin itong pangalawang term natin. Okay? So now, just look at the given. So yung ating x squared, okay na po siya. It's already, wala na po siyang kaparehas. And then we have this one, 6x and negative 15. They are common terms. Which is po sa FOIL method that simplify po yung common. Kasi common, kailangan po pagsamahin muna or to simplify kung kailangan i-add ninyo. Kung kailangan i-minus ninyo. Which is po yung ating given dito ay positive 6 and negative 15. They are unlike sign, automatic po, ima-minus natin yung ating numerical coefficient. So which is po, 15 minus 6, we have 9. And we will get the higher higher side or highest value is negative 15 po. So, ibig sabihin, ang value ng ating, ang sign ng ating 9 ay magiging negative. And then, copy lang po si x. And then, we have 15. Just combine them. So, okay na po. So, lahat po, hindi, wala nang common. So, simplify na po natin. So, ibig sabihin, copyhin lang po ninyo yung 6x squared. And then, followed by negative 9x. And then, we have negative 15. So, ito na po yung pinakasagot natin sa ating FOIL method. Okay?